Sometimes it's hard for me to show that I'm more than just a title or a comment going viral. There's more to me than people know. Some days I'm broke, some days I'm rich, some days I'm nice, some days I can be a bitch. Some days I'm strong, some days I quit. I don't let it show, but I've been through some shit.
What is up, y'all? I am back with another video for you, and today I want to talk to you guys about sponsorships, being a small YouTuber, and what to look out for, and how you know if something is legit or not. Because being a small YouTuber as I am, I do get sponsorships or asked to do sponsorships and have been scammed a lot. But because I know certain things, I know if it's a scam or not. So yeah, if you guys want to know a little bit more about that, then just keep on watching. Alright, first I want to say sorry I didn't upload on Wednesday. If you have watched my videos on me being sick and the explaining it all, then you would understand that my schedule will be a little bit different. It will all depend on how I'm feeling. Lately, I have not been awake actually, so it's been very, very difficult. My health, yes, my health is down again, so just bear with me. I do try to upload. I have a lot of ideas I want to do for y'all and like giving you tips and tricks on makeup, but it's hard if your body does not function. So I just wanted to say I'm sorry for not uploading this week, but I'm definitely getting this video out for you guys so you can have it out. So yeah. So the first thing I want to talk about is pretty much people reaching out to you and how you know if they're a scam. So what I have done is I have personally got me my own business email. So I have a spam email for like when you go to stores and they're like, do you want your newsletter for like discounts or something? I have an email for that. And then I did have a work email just with a Gmail account. That is more of like other things. It was just my work email, but that is now for more agencies or like if people are sending me for resumes or something like that. That's that email. And then I have my Makeup by Rocky at makeupbyrocky.com, which I do have to pay for it. So that is more of sponsorships and anything YouTube related or my business related stuff. So I suggest you making sure you're organized on having your own business email and having like a junk email or like anything like that, like what I do. So if you don't want to pay for an email, you definitely don't have to. Just use a Gmail account or a Yahoo account. Really doesn't matter. It's your personal preference. I definitely suggest having a spam email and then a work email. So with that being said, I do have people coming in to my Makeup by Rocky email and I do get sponsorships. So how you know if they are a scam or not is really research that business. So I did have this email saying, hey, I'll read the email actually. I might put a screenshot up on it. So let me find it. I won't say the brand. So with this brand, I researched it. It was legit, but not legit. And I'll explain to you in a second why. So the caption said, paid Instagram opportunity. So it says, hi there. My name is, I don't know if this is a real name or not, so I'm not going to say the name. And I am the founder of this website or whatever, this brand. I saw your Instagram page and I thought you would make a great match as an ambassador for our clothing. Maybe you could take a look at our site and see if you could agree. So the thing is weird about Instagrams or like businesses, sometimes they will reach out to you and then say you don't fit with them. And I'm like, you reached out to me. I didn't reach out to you. So did you not realize I didn't fit you beforehand? Like that's what I don't understand, but that's not what this did, but that's just what I thought about. Moving on. If you are interested in becoming a sponsor, here are some next steps. 1, click here to join. And then 2, post a picture of one of our products on Instagram using the guidelines stated on the ambassador page above. which was the click here thing. 3, for every sale that you make, you would get 30% of profit. So let's say you get 20 sales and at $20 each, the profit level is at 50%. That means you make up to $60. Usually Instagrammers ask for a fixed price, let's say $40. This is actually to your disadvantage because you won't be able to capitalize fully on the sales generated by your post or posts. As an affiliate, your potential earnings are without a limit. We will track a number of sales you make by the personalized discount code given above. Step number 1. So that's how you get your discount code. Number 4, after this I provide bigger discounts for your following. In the future, note there is a chance that you will be featured on our Instagram with 45,000 followers. If this sounds good, then awesome. Take a look below at our Instagram with pictures of people who joined our program. If you have questions, feel free to respond. So as you read that, you're like, oh, great deal. Do not jump ahead and sign up for that. I mean, you can if you really want to. Sometimes brands do screw you over. So don't jump ahead. Always do your research. Always. With a lot of scams I know about, I did my research and I just watched one video and she pretty much was saying how it took a while to get the clothes. For that, pretty much you had to pay to get the clothes and then maybe make money off of it. So pretty much you have to pay to receive money almost. So it's kind of weird, like, hey, some brands do that. You do have to pay and then like you get the profit. I was almost gonna do it because it sounded legit, and as she was saying that, just the quality of the clothing, she said, was not the best and it just took forever. So I just didn't think it was a good idea. So it's really almost on your personal opinion, and because the quality of clothing wasn't good, I didn't want to give my following, or I know I don't have a lot of following, but anybody that wants to follow me, I don't want to support something that I don't believe in, and I'm going to always stay that way. If I don't in the future, please come at me, please, because I do not want to give you guys something that doesn't work or I don't believe in or think is good quality. So because she was saying the quality of the clothes was not good, I didn't want to become a part of this brand and my dog's snoring and give you guys shitty quality. So that's something. So always do your research. It might be legit, and yeah. So another thing, I don't know what's going on with this, but at this point, I feel like it's fake. So on Instagram, I'm not gonna call this person out if they do actually watch my videos. Hey, you didn't get back to me on Instagram, so I already called you out once. Then it happened. Anyways, this guy followed me on Instagram. I thought he was cute, and I was like, hey, I'm gonna hit him up. And then I did, and we were talking a little bit, and I asked how he found me, and he said one of my YouTube videos. So I was like, oh, okay, which one? And he said I was promoting a company against his company. And I was like, what? And I went on his Instagram. It kind of looked legit that he was with these people, but I wasn't sure. And I researched him more. It still looked like he was legit with this company. So I'm like, hey, okay, I'll give him a thing. And he goes, I want you to promote my company. And I do shop at this company. I just never have promoted on my channel. No reason. I just don't do hauls of each channel or each thing I buy. I mean, that's a lot of work, but I don't do it. And I go, well, right now money is an issue and I can't just go shop, like, you know, make a big shopping haul. And he goes, okay, let me get with my company and I will see if we can send you some clothing. And I go, okay, cool. But because I was realizing after a while he was asking to meet up with me because he lives out in California and I don't. And he said he actually comes here in Indiana sometimes and then wants to meet me. And I was like, hey, was this actually just a business thing, or was this actually you want to meet with me? He goes, no, I actually want to meet with you. It just so happened we were business and whatever. I said, okay, so if you or one of your marketing teams goes to your business, and if you or someone in your marketing team is going to follow through with this, please email me at my email. And it's been about a week. It hasn't happened. So I'm like, this must be a scam. So funny thing is, during that time, that night, he unfollowed me, and I go, what? And I was like, why'd you unfollow me? That's when I asked, was this a business thing, or did you actually want to meet? And he goes, no, that was an accident, and followed me back. Then a couple days later, I hit him up again to see, like, scope this out, and he read it and didn't reply. I'm like, oh, okay, that's weird. And so I hit him up again, and I said, hey, have you found out, like, if this thing was going to go through? I don't know exactly what I said, but I said something like that. And then I went and saw he unfollowed me. So that's something you got to look out for. People are always out to get a following, because I've learned what he does. He follows a bunch of people, and after like a couple minutes, he unfollows them. So he gets a following by following people, because everybody follows back. A lot of people follow back if they look legit. So in a couple days, if he doesn't say anything, I'm gonna follow him. So yeah, that's pretty much what a lot of people do. Don't grab at every opportunity you have, because a lot of people are out there to just scam you, and it's bad. Okay, sorry, my camera is like running out of memory. Diesel! So as I'm editing this and me yelling at my dog happened, my dog is next to me and freaked out thinking I was yelling at him, but I wasn't, because I was yelling at past him, not present him. So yeah, I thought that was funny. Okay, bye. So yeah, that's pretty much what I've been running into. People like to take advantage of you, whether you are a small YouTuber or a big YouTuber. You just gotta not be so quick to jump on any type of promotion or sponsorship, and just like really stick to you. And while you can make money off of YouTube, you really can't start and think, oh, I'm gonna get money right away. I've been doing this for 2 years, and I'm just now hitting 300 subscribers, which I was jumping up and down for, which is kind of crazy for me. But yeah, I want to also do like a video about just setting up a YouTube and everything, because I'm always asked about it. And if you guys are interested, then let me know down below. But yeah, those are kind of the two biggest things I wanted to tell you guys. If you have more questions or want like more of a Q&A about it, then let me know in the comments below. But I wanted to give you guys those 2 story times and like what to look out for. People really do just, I don't know if you guys have learned if you guys have watched Gabby Hanna's new song or like new roast yourself thing, where she's like, are these my colleagues or are these my friends? Half the time they're neither. So they're really not either of them, because they're out there maybe to gain following for themselves and nothing else. They don't care about you at all. So just look out for that. You gotta really have a hard head into this, and you gotta be strict on who you are. So even Nikki DeMar, she was talking about it, like how her and Gabby are really hard to work with, because they're so set on what they want to do. So yeah, that's kind of how my mindset is. I am strict about what I want and who I want to work with. And if you don't fit those guidelines, It may even be nothing against you, or maybe it is against you. I won't tell you. It's just, that's how the business is. A lot of people are like, oh, that's so dumb, you shouldn't do that. Like, that's just the business. No matter where you are in the entertainment industry, that's just how it is. So you gotta go with it. So yeah, that's really all I have for you guys today about that. I just want to give you those few little tips and tricks, not tips and tricks, but those tips on sponsorships and what to look out for. Like I said, if you have any questions, let me know in the comments below. But yeah, I think that is it. Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this one. Give a big thumbs up so other people can find me as well. Comment down below anything you'd like me to do next. Also, hit the bell to be notified when I upload, which is every Wednesday and pretty much every Saturday as well. And you can follow me on Instagram, Snapchat, and Twitter, and my Facebook page. They'll be linked down below. And I hope to see y'all in my next video. Bye!
I've patrolled these empty thoughts before, but I'm fixed now on the cure. I'm holding on to the last rock on the mountaintop, and I'm begging for your love. Do you remember the type of folk we used to be, and the simple souls we used to see?